Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your TikTok feed. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app. You want to go to your profile, then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the three straight lines. You want to click on settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, the second option of the menu, which is a content and display, you will find an option which it says content preferences. You want to click on content preferences and then you want to click on refresh your for you feed. This is FYP. Very important is that this will simply change everything that you previously watch or interact with. Meaning every video that you like, every industry, everything that you spend more time watching or simply commenting, liking, sharing will simply be deleted, and TikTok will create or will try to find a new type of content for you. So when you actually click on continue, TikTok will execute on all these three functions. First of all, TikTok will show you the popular videos and try to find out what is your new likes and dislikes, right? The second function is that they're going to see which content you're interacting with and which content you simply don't vibing with, right? So they're not gonna show you more from this. Then they're gonna simply craft ads they're gonna show you that are relevant to the content that you like. And third option that they're gonna actually execute on when you refresh your FYP, they're simply gonna change the people that you probably know, friends that you probably know, people that probably you should follow or you might be interested following. Essentially, you're clicking the continue, ready to refresh your feed, and then you click refresh. Currently, I have the feed that I want. This is why I am not going to refresh my feed, but this is how you go about it. Sometimes, you watch videos that are random, you're not really interested in that type of videos, and your feed is flooded by random videos. So this is how you actually fix this. Subscribe and come back for more.